Welcome to Vlogmas. What are we doing? Are we vlogging? Are we trying to vlog? So I was about to be like, I don't know why my house is such a mess, but actually I do know exactly why my house is such a mess. And it's because my life has been such a mess, at least over the past like 5 days. November has been a lot, but like specifically the last like 4 to 5 days have been crazy. It's been filled with just a lot. I swear I'm like always running late. So I told my girlfriend I would be at her house, or I was leaving my house in like 15 minutes. But I told her that like 25 minutes ago. But it's okay, right? It's okay. She doesn't know how much traffic there is. What if there's a lot of traffic? Anyways, just got the shower. I am grabbing the stuff that I need because I'm about to go to my girlfriend's house. I'm probably gonna sleep there since it's already getting kind of late. So I'll say bye to the kitty. Bye, baby. If you only knew how long I have been trying to vlog. I was sorry that the quality just completely switched right now as well. I had to switch over to my phone because my camera battery died, but I'm charging it right now, so hopefully I can get back on my camera and you guys won't have to deal with this version of my phone for too much longer, hopefully. Like I was saying, I have been trying to vlog for you guys. I swear for probably like a month. I want to say for at least like 4 weeks I have tried to vlog. Maybe longer. But I have not been able to successfully do it, mainly because I will forget that I'm vlogging. And I've heard that this is an issue for a lot of people that vlog, or not a lot of people that vlog, but a lot of people that start their vlogging channel or whatever, is remembering to like open up and close out your vlogs. And when you forget that you're vlogging, it can just, then your vlog can kind of just become very choppy and messy, or like other times I just don't like how the vlog came out, or like the audio is terrible, or you can't see me like right now. So it's just caused me to like consistently delete the vlogs that I have recorded. And I feel like I've actually probably recorded some decent content, but I want to be able to kind of just like a different side that you guys don't normally get to see. Like, you guys never see me in my car. Like, this is the first time you guys have probably ever seen me in my car. So yeah, I feel like vlogs are a really cool way to open up to your subscribers and to your supporters, and kind of just bring y'all in a little bit, you know, bring you in. I'm not late to everything, but I'm definitely late to like come on over. Like, definitely whatever time I tell you I'm probably about to come on over, just add an extra 30 minutes, like, honestly. But I made it to her house, so I will probably see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. So it's like 7:45 in the morning. Can you see it? 7:45. I'm debating on if I'm about to actually like go back to sleep. Actually, I woke up early. Like earlier than what I was planning on waking up. Like I woke up around like 5, and now I feel like I need that sleep back. Like I feel like I need to go back to sleep and like get that hour in, because I'm not there yet. Like, I wish I was fully awake right now, but I'm not. Yeah, the vlogs are going to get better. That's something I can say. The vlogs are going to get better throughout Vlogmas. I actually have things planned for Vlogmas that are in theme with the Christmas theme. It's just that I wanted to at least get this first vlog out because it's Vlogmas, and if you don't get like the day one vlog up, I don't know, I just kind of feel like with Vlogmas, if you don't start at least, like if you at least don't get day one out, then personally I kind of feel defeated from even doing Vlogmas. Like if I miss the first day, I don't want to come in on like day 4 and like there's no day 1. So even though this vlog is not super exciting, at least there's a day 1, and at least we are setting the bar to stay consistent, right? But the content will be more entertaining, I can say that much. Fun fact, I sound like a 13-year-old boy going through puberty when I wake up. And you could probably hear it in my voice. I don't know why I sound like this when I wake up, but this is my wake up voice. I need to actually go to CVS or Walgreens because I ran out of sponges, and I am like notorious for using a sponge maybe twice and then throwing it away. So like they just start to gross me out, and like I can't use them for too long, and that might be kind of wasteful, maybe, I don't know, but I just can't, I really can't use a sponge too many times. It's not even that the sponge will be like dirty because I'll rinse it off and all that. It's literally just my mind knowing that this sponge has already gone through like 2 or 3 rounds of like dishwashing. I can't use it anymore. I'm the same way with like a toothbrush. Like, I don't know how often you're supposed to change out your toothbrush. Let me see. I want to actually know how often you're supposed to change out your toothbrush. Oh God, how do you make Siri come up? How often are you supposed to change your toothbrush?
Here's what I found from NIH.gov. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months.
Okay, so she said every 3 to 4 months. I probably replace my toothbrush every like 3 to 5 weeks. Like, I don't know if I can really go more than a month and a half with a toothbrush, and that honestly sounds kind of long, but yeah, that's another one of those things that just grosses me out. Like, I can't, 3 to 4 months using the same toothbrush. What? That doesn't even sound right. Like, that sounds a quarter of a year using the same toothbrush. That's no shade. If that is what you do, it's obviously fine because Siri said it was fine. But me personally, I cannot. I think I can make it like a month and a half max. I think that's my max. Like I don't really know if I can go over a month and a half with the same toothbrush. I don't know why it grosses me out so much. It just does. It just does. It just does. But yeah, I'm like low-key falling asleep on you guys on the vlog right now because I am just still tired. So I'm going to get me another like 30 to 40 minutes of sleep, or at least rest or whatever. And then I'll get up and be more alive because I'm not fully there yet. All right? Okay. Hey you guys, good morning. Actually right now I'm actually editing the vlog, and yes, I have a band-aid. Everyone keeps talking about me in this band-aid, and I've had like 2 friends come over, and my first friend, he was like, you know that they sell those clips on Amazon and you can just clip it. And I didn't really know exactly what he meant because I hadn't seen it yet. And he was like, you can just clip it to your camera and just slide it, and you don't have to have Band-Aid. You don't have to have a Band-Aid. And I was just like, okay, like, what's wrong with my, like, clearly my Band-Aid looks ghetto. And then my best friend came over a couple weeks ago, and she was like, best friend, you know that they sell clips. And I'm just like, okay. since everybody wants to keep telling me about these clips, how about somebody gets me a clip? I'm really trying to decide if I'm going to get a Christmas tree. If I'm going to get a Christmas tree or not. Because, I don't know, like, I want to get a Christmas tree, but I haven't had one since getting my cat Fez. And he's just like one of those cats that likes to get into like everything. Like, anything new that comes into the house, he's probably going to want to sniff it, which is fine, but he's probably going to want to bite it. He's probably going to want to like swat at it. And I'm just concerned that I'm going to get this tree and I'm going to be in here sleeping and it's going to be like 3 a.m. and I'm going to hear this tree like coming down. But I really want one. I feel like it would really just, I don't know, I need some Christmas holiday themes. I feel like I have been just so like stressed and just so busy with things that getting into the holiday spirits would be really nice, because I really didn't even get into the Thanksgiving spirit. And normally I cook on Thanksgiving. I think for the past like 3 or 4 Thanksgivings I've cooked, and I didn't cook this Thanksgiving because November has just not been my friend. And I just wasn't in the mood and I just didn't want to do it. And yeah, I just didn't feel like it. But now that December is here and I'm doing Vlogmas, I'm kind of wanting to make what I would have made for Thanksgiving for Christmas, because I've been craving like some baked turkey or baked chicken, I don't care, but like baked bird with some stuffing and some greens and some, I don't have to have the mac and cheese, but like some yams. Like, I am craving all of that food now, and I'm thinking that I might just make like Thanksgiving food for Christmas, which I don't think that's weird because you can cook whatever you want whenever you want, right? That's what I feel like. I feel like you can have whatever you want whenever you want. And typically on Christmas, like if it was a couple years ago, I probably would make like a pot roast and maybe some like potatoes and things like that. But I don't eat red meat anymore. I took out red meat probably about, well, I took out pork in like 2017. And I took out beef 2019, I think in 2019. I've had beef maybe like like 2 or 3 times since 2019, like not often. I mean like very small bites. So I would pretty much say I've taken it out. Sorry, y'all. So yeah, so since I don't eat red meat anymore and I'm like not going to make a pot roast, I feel like I should just make my Thanksgiving meal for Christmas. Like, what do y'all make for Christmas? Let me know. Especially if you make something that's not red meat. I would love to know like what y'all make, because I was thinking about making a baked chicken, which I still might. I might do baked chicken and stuffing instead of a turkey. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but I feel like I only see turkeys during like Thanksgiving time. Like, I feel like when I'm in the grocery market on just a normal day, I don't see whole turkeys. Like, they have turkeys year round? Are turkeys year round? I don't know. I just feel like I don't see them, but maybe I'm just not paying any attention to them. But I don't feel like I see them unless it's getting into the fall season. So that's fine if I have to make a baked chicken, because I don't mind. That's cool. For anyone that's wondering why I took out red meat, mainly because I have PCOS. For those of you that don't know what PCOS is, that's polycystic ovarian syndrome, which if you have PCOS, you know how difficult it is to explain to someone what it is. I'll talk more about my PCOS, and like I'll try to explain it in a way that is easier to understand for someone that doesn't have PCOS, or even if you do, because even if you do have PCOS, depending on the doctors that you went to and how you got diagnosed, you still can be very uninformed about the condition. Like, there's just so much that comes with PCOS. There's so much that is tied to having PCOS that I don't feel like my doctors were really talking to me about. Like a little bit. My endocrinologist talked to me a little bit, but my primary doctor, no. So I just don't feel like there's enough conversation around having PCOS and just the side effects and just what goes into that. But what I will say right now is that I took out red meat completely in 2019 because of having PCOS. So I had took out pork just because I wasn't really feeling it, and that was the decision I made in 2017. And there wasn't necessarily a health reason per se. I mean, I guess it was like I didn't feel good eating pork. Like I didn't feel good consuming it. I didn't feel like it was good for me, but it wasn't, I didn't know I had PCOS at the time, so it wasn't because of that. But in 2019 is when I got diagnosed, and that is what led me to taking out red meat as a whole to try to help prevent me from getting diabetes. So I'm probably going to end my day one here because I want to get this video up and on my channel for you guys, because Vlogmas is no joke. And if you fall behind, whew, and I'm not even, like I said, I cannot promise you that I'm going to have a vlog every day. I want to have a vlog all 25 days for Vlogmas. Like that is the goal. But I have a lot going on. Sorry, hold on. This is a lot going on. Yeah, I have a lot going on, just as far as like what's going on with my family, and there's just like some health issues going on. So because of that, I don't know day to day if I'm going to be able to vlog every day. So there might be days where I don't, and if I can't, I will try to maybe, like if it can't be a daily vlog, then maybe I'll try to switch it to weekly vlogs. But I really don't want to do that. I would love to just do daily vlogs, and if there's just certain days that I miss, then there's just certain days that I miss. But that we're going to knock on some wood that we can just keep up with these, because I do have a lot planned. I do think the Vlogmases are going to be fun, so I want to be able to do them every day. But yeah, thank you guys for watching our first Vlogmas. Okay, if you are not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and like this video if you enjoyed vlogging with me, because this is really different for me. It's a little weird. It's a little like, I don't know, it's just a little just different, because normally if I'm filming like a planned video, like I'm gonna be looking cute, you know, I'm gonna like have my things together. But because we're vlogging, and because this is just a regular day, and it's just me living my regular life and just having you guys be a part of regular LC. Not that my other videos are not regular LC, but you know, I just put a little bit more time into that because I know I'm making that video. Whereas this, you're gonna get what you get. I put a little lipstick on just because I wanted to have some lipstick on earlier, but most days I don't wear makeup. Some days I have lashes. Rare days are my hair retwisted. So this is pretty much my form. Even the lipstick is not really my form because I won't have lipstick on, but this is pretty much my form. So I'm not a heavy makeup wearer, but it is just different, just to kind of bring you guys into like my regular, like in my bed. Y'all are in my bed, you know, like it's just different. We getting really close and intimate, and I like the direction that this channel is heading, because I feel like we're going to be able to get to know each other more. Especially you guys are going to be able to get to know me more, but I'm going to put out ways to get to know you guys more as well. So we're going to get to know each other more. Okay. All right. So that's about it. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, and have an amazing day one of your Vlogmas. Bye, you guys.